find anything, Bob? Bob? You there?
What's wrong, big guy?
Bob is gone. And every time Bob disappears, I end up in trouble.
Yeah, I noticed that.
So let's go find him.
Thanks for your help, guys. Bob! Bob?
Bob? Wow!
Hello, Sheriff.
Dr. Din, you're home.
I just got in on the afternoon ferry. I didn't want to miss Kite Day, you know.
Can I get you something cold to drink?
Oh, I'd love something.
Well, what have we here?
Uh-oh.
For goodness sake, it's Bob.
You know this little dog?
I sure do.
I think someone's been eating my blueberry pie.
Sorry, I'm afraid this little guy can be a real scamp sometimes.
This kite is flying great! Would someone else like to fly it for a while?
I would!
Dr. Din, you're back!
Uh-huh. But I understand there's been a little dog trouble today.
Yes, Clifford's been impossible. Jetta, I don't think Clifford's been any trouble at all today.